Story about seeds and germination. Children, have you recognized me? I am a seed. Do you know that I am the producer of these big trees? I know you don't believe. If one takes good care of me, I grow into a big tree, good crop, or a beautiful plant. Today, the two characters of this video, Ratan and Sonu, will give you a lot of information about me. Who am I? How do I germinate? What is germination? And so on. Learning objectives. 1. To understand what is a seed. 2. To understand what is germination. 3. To understand the circumstances required for germination. Ratan and Sonu live in a small village. There is a big, beautiful tree in the center of the village. Everyone enjoys sitting under the shade of the tree. All the people of the village take good care of the tree.
Sonu, come out. Let us go to play near the big tree. All of our friends are gathering there.
Ratan, I heard that the tree has laden with sweet fruits. Ratan, look at the tree. It is laden with red fruits. It seems they are very sweet to taste.
Yes, let us pluck them to eat.
But they are at a great height. We cannot reach out to them.
Wait, I will call my uncle. He is standing there. Kaka, please come here quickly.
Yes, children. What happened?
Uncle, we want to eat these fruits. Can you pluck them for us?
Sure, children. Take it.
Thanks a lot, uncle. Yuck! What is there in my mouth?
What happened, Sonu?
This seed has spoiled my taste.
Throw it away. It is not required in the fruit.
Oh, children, why are you throwing these seeds away?
These seeds have spoiled my taste.
Do you know? Because of these seeds, you can see this tree and enjoy eating its fruits.
Really, uncle?
Yes, beta.
Uncle, now we want to know everything about these seeds. We are getting curious.
Sure. Why don't you take the seed? We shall plant it in my home.
Uncle, what are you doing?
I am going to sow the seeds you both have brought.
Sowing means?
Sowing means to press the seed in the soil. The journey of a seed begins from here. Give these seeds to me.
Uncle, how can we define seeds?
Seed is the unit of a flowering plant, crop, or a fruit that is capable of developing into another such plant.
So, the seeds which you have sown will grow into a tree.
When a baby is born, his parents take care to give him all the important nutrients that are essential for his development and health and help him to grow into a healthy man. Likewise, these seeds require proper amount of air, water, sunlight, and minerals from the soil to grow into a healthy tree, plant, or a crop.
It means these are the essential elements that a seed requires to germinate.
Yes, child. When these elements reach the interiors of the seed through tiny pores on its outer covering, it germinates.
How do we get to know that a seed is getting these elements in adequate quantity and is about to germinate?
Children, what do you think? What happens when I am about to germinate?
It's a good question. Children, the outer layer of the seed ruptures due to the absorption of water. This is how the seed germinates.
Yes, uncle. I remember. Yesterday my mother gave me moong dal to eat. The seeds of moong dal had tails.
Son, that was sprouted dal, which is very good for health. We can even sprout grams and other pulses.
Great, Kaka. You have given us very interesting information. Even we want to see how a seed germinates.
Sure, let us do an experiment. Sonu and Ratan, go and get one glass container, cotton and water from your mothers.
Children want to see how do I germinate. Hence, they brought the material soon.
Uncle, we have brought the material.
I have a pea and bean seeds. Now listen to me. You both start putting wet cotton in the glass container. No extra water should be there in the container.
Children, what do you think? Why Uncle asked Sonu and Ratan to be cautious of putting extra water in the container?
When the container are half filled with wet cotton, put seeds in it.
Uncle, what shall we do now?
Now go and keep the container on the window of your house where they can get adequate quantity of air and sunlight. After a few days, you will observe seeds germinating. Once they germinate, you can plant them in the soil in a small pot.
Uncle, if we want to record the growth of a plant, how can we do it?
I have an easy solution for you. You both can prepare a journal in which you can record the growth of a plant in 10 days. You can show the same with the help of a diagram.
Thank you, Uncle, for all the information you have given us about seeds.
Children, even you can do the experiments on germination and can record the changes you observe in them in your journal.
I have a question. I have noticed that similar kind of plants grow in different places. Why don't they grow at one place in a group? How do they grow at different places? Do seeds have feet?
Children, what do you think? What would be happening that similar plants grow in different places? We will answer Sonu's question in our next video. Let us quickly recapitulate what we have learnt today. What is a seed? What is germination? What are the things required for germination? In our next video, you will see Uncle answering Sonu's query. Till then, learn more facts about germination and try to look for the answer.